Hello and welcome to OmniAvatar.net. The reason for the video today is to encourage the food and drinks industry to make better use of the resources that we currently have today. For example, this coffee jar, when empty, weighs 627 grams because it's made of glass and a bit of plastic. In comparison, this coffee whitener container weighs 41 grams. So you can see immediately the major difference between glass and plastic. When I turn to the sugar container, which happens to be made of paper, I bought some canderel and I've kept the jar, and the jar weighs 384 grams and the weight of the paper is virtually negligible. Also, when you look at these two drinks containers, one's made of aluminium obviously, and the other one is made of glass. And the weight difference, well, not the weight difference, but the weight of the container with the contents is, this one is 347 grams and this container is 552 grams. And the difference between the two is a total of 205 grams. So this container weighs an extra 205 grams. This water container weighs a total of 41 grams. And this wine box weighs 142 grams when empty. And it is right now. Now, this wine box actually holds 4 75 centilitre bottles of wine. Now, bearing in mind that this box empty weighs 142 grams, if I were to buy the equivalent quantity of wine in the bottle container, or glass container, sorry, it would weigh 1.4 kilograms. Now, what we have here is a collection of food and drinks containers where glass is so much more heavier than plastic. Therefore, the transportation costs could be reduced massively by transferring to an alternative, lighter, more recyclable product. Now, glass melts at approximately 1500 degrees Celsius. Plastics melt around about 250 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure about paper. Aluminium, again, that melts at around 1500 degrees Celsius, but obviously aluminium is a hell of a lot lighter than glass, so you've got the weight saving. But the beauty of plastic is that it's lighter, not as durable, but because of the difference between the melting points, you immediately save energy on melting the product and producing the product. And obviously the pollutants that are going into the atmosphere are greatly reduced. And so OmniAvatar would like to encourage the food and drinks industry to think differently about the food and drinks containers that we all use today. OmniAvatar out.